I got my oil changed here. Ottawa, Philippines Mountain. Giselle's home. And my cable for the choke is sticking. Here we go. Right here, it was only going halfway. I bought it in June. It is February 22nd. And so the choke was sticking on and running too rich. We also, the speedometer cable broke, which is unbelievable considering I bought this thing the 1st of June. But a Yamaha, even with the warranty, I have to sit for 2 hours before they work on anything. So I came here. I mean, they change oil for free. You have to buy the oil. But he tuned it the best he could, but the choke stuck because the spark plug was black. He tuned it the best he could because the spark plug was black, made it leaner, as lean as he could. So I've lived that way for the last 2 weeks. New spark plug, oil change. I don't think I paid 500 pesos for the whole thing. So now we're going to get my tack cable changed. We're going to get lights on here for the mountains. Man, it is dark up here, and then with oncoming traffic, mostly motorcycles, it makes it very hard to see. So I'm going to be able to see when I drive at night in the mountain. When we go home, last night, Saturday night, we drove up here in the dark, and I'm just kind of tired of the cable. And this is what motorcycle repair looks like in Ottawa, Philippines, in the mountain. And these little lights should be fantastic. I also got a switch with it. Is it too short? I hope it works. It says it would. Never know. This is OM's, is not genuine Yamaha equipment, but the genuine Yamaha equipment didn't last 7 months. And I totally have always loved all Japanese bikes. I just have had very few trouble. My grandfather had the Yamaha dealership in the 60s. And I kind of bought and sold motorcycles. Made a little money. Got to ride awesome motorcycles. So I played with them all my life. I haven't had anything smaller than a 1974 KZ Kawasaki 900. In 1977, I had a Kawasaki KZ 900. Awesome motorcycle. It had the feel of a cruiser, but the horsepower of what we call a crotch rocket. Or later, the motor became the Ninja. So, anyway, this is a 150 SZ Yamaha, 8.9 horsepower, 8.9, and it works just perfect in the mountains here. It works just perfect in Cebu. It's plenty fast in Cebu. I mean, I'd love to have a real bike. The smallest bikes I've ever owned since then, I've had a lot of Yamaha 750 Shadows. I've had about 900 cows, but I've had lots of really big bikes. And they're all Japanese. I've only had 2 Sportsters in my life. So, anyway. And I never had any problem with them, but they were always pretty new. I like new. And I'm able to buy them going into winter, and I sell them come spring. And drove them all year. Everywhere I go, I don't fighting chickens are being raised. They just love it. This is in the Ottawa Mountains. We have more fighting chickens over here. And way back there, we are with the pork guy. Ottawa Mountains. Cebu Mountains, Ottawa. Everybody's got a fighting chicken. Where are you taking him? You speak English? I guess they don't speak English, but they bought him, or they're going to take him to fight, or they're going to go do something. So anyway, you guys have a good one. Lights and new speedometer cable. And he will change the speedometer cable right there. Like I said, now there was nothing wrong with the choke cable. I don't know why that was happening. He doesn't speak English, so I haven't gotten the answer. But as long as the choke isn't stuck on. 2 mechanics working on the bike, and they got 2 helpers helping them at 8:30 in the morning. And in the back, she's the boss. In the back, the wife. She speaks English, but I still haven't gotten the answer of why that thing was doing what it was doing. But as you can see, 2 mechanics, not one, going at it. He says, keep the change. Keep the change. No, keep the change. They did a great job. I'm happy. No. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Thank you. There we go. Oil, grease the chain. Put a new speedometer cable on it. Fix the choke. That wouldn't go back all the way. Now that moves freely. We put a new cable on it. The cable seems good. They did a fantastic job. For the mountains, we got new lights. And I'm going to tell you what, last night I was blinded. And we're all set. We have choke. We have speedometer. We have lights. We have greased chain. He made it correct richness. Probably had to add just a little because now the choke isn't chucked. And I am very happy. And we are ready to go.